the lighting just decided to be rude to me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, yes, I'm in the same clothes you probably saw in my last video. It is Sunday. It's usually my day to chill and relax. However, I have decided to become, I really think I do have manic episodes. I do want to get that checked though, because I'm not sure if that's really what it is. Or I just literally get so overwhelmed with doing things that all of a sudden I just start cleaning stuff. So I did quite a bit of that, and also listed some more clothes on my Poshmark if you want to go check that out. Link down in the description. So I did not see last week. I was very late to it and I do apologize, but I wanted to say thank you guys for subscribing to me, because I saw that I hit 3,000 subscribers, which I think is insane because it has been a very long time. My channel has kind of had very stagnant growth for a long time. So I'm just like, I'm just ecstatic, and I don't have any words. So just thank you all for subscribing to me and staying with me through all my bullshit throughout all these years, because I seriously, like, it still shocks me that there's people out there that watch me and message me and say, hey, like, I love your videos, you inspire me and all these things, because I'm just like, me? Little old me? Little old Sam from Connecticut? Like, hi, how are ya? So thank you guys seriously so much for that. I truly do appreciate it so much. Gosh, it's crazy. 2020 has been a crazy year, and I've just had such, I don't know. I'm gonna go into a whole video about that. But anyways, also, happy Halloween the day you're watching this. Today I wanted to do a DIY TikTok pumpkin decor video, because clearly we've all seen it all over TikTok. People are buying these trick-or-treat pumpkin pails and spray painting them and making them into like outside decor, which I thought that was actually a really good idea, because I don't really do any outside decor with my apartment. I usually just have like our Christmas lights for Christmas, and I like put gel clings and like stuff on the windows, and that's about it. But it would be nice to start doing like a little bit of outside decor, you know? But I feel like I can't do too much because I don't want it to blow away, because I do have like a little deck area, so there's that. I just find it really ironic and funny that everyone's like buying the crap out of these trick-or-treat buckets, because y'all know, since I'm obsessed with Halloween, I already have 2 of them from when I used to go trick-or-treating, and I have a pink one and an orange one. The difference for me personally is that I'm not going to spray paint these. I like the colors the way they are. You guys know how I feel about Halloween decorations. I want it just classic. I like just the classic stuff. I don't like the gimmicky things. I just don't. So I'm gonna keep them and probably have them either like this or like maybe just like this. No, I want them like this. We'll do it like this. If you guys want to watch me do this, I got a whole bunch of stuff from Dollar Tree. I do have black roses, but I don't know if I'm going to keep them in here for next year. And I know this is like a really late decor thing, like very late clearly. Definitely next year I'm gonna buy some more black and purple roses that I will keep in here from Dollar Tree, which I love because I have already a setup on my kitchen table with a vase and flowers. I like to change out seasonally because it's just like, it's cute. So with that all being said, let's just jump right into this, okay? Okay, so first we have our pumpkins. I already cut the little straps off of them. Please, again, excuse like the mess that's around me. Manically cleaning, and also decided I'm gonna film this right now, so there's that. So first thing that you want to do is you want to cut the little things off of the buckets, obviously, because you don't want them on there. And then what I decided to buy was just a whole bunch of decorative sand. Highly recommend. This is the stuff I used for my wedding centerpieces when I got married, and like seriously so cheap. Buy it in bulk and you're done with it. So I'm just gonna start by literally just putting them in like this. I'm not gonna take it out of the container or take them out of the bags, just because whatever. And the reason you want to do this is because you don't want to fly away if you put this outside and you have like a really windy storm or something. So you want it to be nice and weighed down. So that's the first thing that you're going to do. I was trying to find rope. I was going to use like maybe black rope because I want mine to look very Halloween-y, not so much like the classic like aesthetic. I don't give a shit about aesthetic. Hi. I also bought some plain black pipe cleaners, so I'm gonna try and use these, and use them glue around the seam right in there. So let's do this. And also very random, I'm just gonna hot glue my little ghost back together because I've had this one and this one from Kmart when Kmart was still in Waterbury, and it hasn't been for years now. So these are really old. I'm gonna change the batteries in them and everything. I'm so late. I'm just gonna glue these together so that they just stay together. Of course, I could always re-break it if I really have to, but you know. And I feel like it's just gonna be easier for me to do this part first, so hopefully I don't get hot glue on the floor because that will suck. But here we go. I hope it doesn't like melt the plastic really crazy either. I'm gonna take my time with this too. As I go around again with the pipe cleaners, I'm just going to glue as I go. Actually looks cool. Okay, I'm like so excited about this right now. Push it in with my nail. I'm not gonna do it with my finger. Burned myself so many times when I did my centerpieces. It was ridiculous. Push it with your nail, not with you. I'm so used to doing crafts, but I haven't done them in so long because you guys know I used to do a lot with my old room. I used to basically just used to do a lot for my old kids, and then once I quit that job, I don't really do as much now because my co-teacher, she likes her things a certain way, and you know what? I'm not gonna argue with that. Do what you gotta do. I don't judge. Let me try and use the other one to overlap and push. I really should have just looked at all my I have my whole box of teacher stuff still sitting over there, so. I just think it's so funny that so many people like found this DIY and are doing it, and they're like, oh my god, like trendy, look at me, I discovered something. And I'm just sitting here like, I did this the whole time, so I'm a little petty about it, I'm not gonna lie. It's like, no, I did this first. Ow, I burned myself. See, I told you guys it was gonna happen. Ow. Done that. This is what mine looks like with the black. I do like it. I think it just, again, gives it like the Halloween aesthetic that I really love. So next thing you want to do is you want to get floral foam from Dollar Tree or wherever. You want to spend the $10, $15, however much it costs in bulk at Joann's or Michael's. You go for it, girl. But me, I'm not. We are bougie on a budget in this household. So floral foam is very fun, but it's also very messy. So I'm just going to put one inside. Oh god, I don't even think it's going to fit. Oh my god, it does not fit. It's not going to fit. Okay, hold on a second. Yes, it will. Haha. So I'm going to reorganize the sandbags in here a little bit. The floral foam in first. Then I'm going to put the sandbags around it so it'll stay still. One. Two. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to go get some flowers to show you guys the end result, and we shall come back. Alright, I swiped some black roses from my little kitchen display, and I'm just sticking them inside. Oh, floral foam, very satisfying. If I had more flowers, I would probably make this a little bit like floofier and like push them down in there a little more. But this is just the basic idea. I think if I glued these a little crooked on there too now that I'm looking at it. So this is what the final result looks like. I think it's really cute. Again, I think I would definitely try to more flowers in here if I was going to put this out for my Halloween decoration, but it is so cute and I love it, and I do recommend that you guys try this out next year since I'm super late to the game, and I apologize again for that. But it is so cute and I'm obsessed with it. And again, you could do like the whole aesthetic with like pretty flowers and stuff, but you guys know me, creepy. I gotta be creepy and I gotta have horror. So this is the result of that. With that all being said, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. like this video if you enjoyed, and turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. I think this will be sitting outside the last week of October because I'm filming this the week of Halloween, so this will just hang out outside for a week and then we'll take it in and it'll have a little bit of a glory day since I'm so late to it again. But again, I just wanted to say thank you all again for subscribing to me and staying with me through everything throughout the last, like, oh my gosh, I've been doing YouTube for I think like 9 years now. Like, it's insane. I literally can't, and I'm just so incredibly grateful for every single one of you and just for watching what I put out on the internet, because I'm kind of a weirdo, but I'm also like, I don't know, so there's that. But I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.